Hi, this is Mona for Expert Village, and we are almost done here. The last thing I'm going to do is my cauliflower and potato Indian curry. Once it's done, I like to add some fresh coriander to it. You know, freshness is good. And add some garam masala powder. We did add some while frying, but if you add some more later, it just makes it more flavorful. The curry is very less. We ate quite a bit of it. We were hungry, so, but we have enough. We mix this up, and my vegetable curry is all ready. So this is the basis of how you make a Indian vegetable curry. You know, the vegetable could be anything, and you can even make it into liquid form, like you can take potatoes and peas and just add more water, so then it's like a gravy. You have a gravy instead of like a dry vegetable. So but the basis is the ginger onion paste and the garlic and all the ingredients I told you about. For presentation, I like to add a little bit of cilantro on top, just to give it like a fresh look. So today we made potato and cauliflower curry. We made stuffed potato paratha, the stuffed tortilla, and we made pakoras, the wonderful snack to have on a rainy day when it's cold outside and when it's raining. It'll brighten up your day. You can dip it with ketchup to make it spicier. One thing, please, while cooking or eating, watch out for your clothes. This stuff is dangerous as far as stains. The stains are going to be so hard to take out. OxyClean, stain remover, so wear an apron. Not like me, I'm kind of used to it. So be very careful. The stains are really, really hard to come out. So thank you for watching me. And try these recipes out. They're all vegetarian, but they're so flavorful. You really enjoy them, and maybe you wouldn't want to dig into your nice steak, and you might want to try this for a change. Thank you. This is Mona from Expert Village.